Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Looking to try some baking in your air fryer? Make these air fryer banana muffins. There is no need to turn on the oven to make these soft, moist and flavorful banana muffins. Made with simple everyday ingredients and ready in under 15 minutes. You will love these air fryer muffins. Want to make this in oven instead? Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit and time for 20 to 25 minutes. Almond Flour Banana Muffin with chocolate chip is delicious gluten-free muffins that are easy to make. They are paleo and dairy-free snack. You will love them. These almond flour muffins are honey, maple syrup and sugar-free, except the dark chocolate chip, not even a bit of oil. Isn't it amazing? If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make an air fried banana muffins using almond flour. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. You can use any blender or food processor. Add 3 large ripe bananas, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder, and process until smooth. I'm using my Instant Ace Plus blender. Just selecting the smoothie option in my blender. I'm going to use homemade almond flour. Making almond flour at home is super easy. I have shared a recipe for homemade almond meal and almond flour in my channel and also shared a link in the description box below. Please do check it or check the playlist in the end. Add almond flour and process just enough to combine. Pass and scrap the walls. Process just a bit again to combine. Try these muffins with chocolate chips for an extra treat. I'm adding dark chocolate chip and give it a quick mix with a spatula. You can use paper muffin cases in the air fryer. I'm a big fan of using silicone molds as they hold their shape and are reusable. But if you don't have them on hand, just double up the paper cases to make them extra sturdy. I have given the link for the silicone mold in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. Coat the muffin cups with the oil to avoid sticking. Using an ice cream scoop or spoon, divide the batter evenly. Preheat the air fryer at 350 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. I'm using Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. This preheats itself. After preheating the air fryer, keep the tray inside. Bake the muffins for 6 minutes or until golden brown. Every air fryer differs. If you are making jumbo muffins, the cooking time may vary. Look at this, it's cooking beautifully. It's done. Smells so good. The air fryer tends to brown muffins more than the oven, but this doesn't affect the taste at all. Let's do the toothpick test. Insert the toothpick. Look at this, it came out clean. Now it's all done. If yours is not done, cook it for another couple of minutes. Take them out, let them cool for at least 20 minutes and enjoy. Store your muffins in an airtight container at room temperature for a few days. You can also freeze your muffins in an airtight container for a few months. Our super delicious homemade banana chocolate chip muffin using a homemade almond flour is ready. It's a super healthy snack. Do try this healthy muffin. Trust me, it satisfies your sweet cravings without having any sugary snack or junk food. It is low carb, it is high in protein and full of fiber. Nutrition wise, these muffins beat any muffins. Eat one and you are full without even a minor bloating. My kids love these and yours will too. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.